Hey, hello, ni hao, konnichiwa, bonjour, salute, buenos dias, merhaba, starova, and servus. How is everybody doing? Hey, here's Don. Welcome to my channel. Well, it is finally done. Yes, the X-Wing is finished. And here is the video that I made for you. So there, good morning YouTubers, as my friend would say. Well, now here is my coffee table on the couch, and you know, there's Johnny 5, but what is sitting right next to Johnny 5? There is the X-Wing, finally finished. And that buddy looks really cool. Let me see here if I can zoom in. Yeah, there is R2-D2. Here's the cockpit. Still missing a pilot. But, yeah, well, let's just say I need a pilot that is maybe 1 inch tall, with movable legs and arms, you know, so that I can put it in there. But, yeah. There you go. Let's take a look. Top and bottom wing, motors. There's the other side. And if we, sorry for the movements, but let's just get to the back side of it, and let me zoom out so that you can see it. There you go. That thing is 60 centimeters long from back to front, and has 40 centimeters width, the wingspan. And yeah, there's that part. Everything. Sometimes you can see a little spalt. That's like right here, where the left and the right part was glued together. But well, let's just say if I wanted to paint this, I would use some filler primer and some filler. And I would fill up those spots, prime it, and paint it. But well, let's just say I'm not sure right now. That's something that I can do later. I'm still waiting for a few parts for my air pump. I need a couple of adapter tubes so that I can connect the gauge to the pump and then connect my airbrush hose to the gauge. I need 2 adapters for that. And my brother from another mother, sitting over there in the UK, told me that, Don, don't worry, just tell me exactly what it is you need, and I'll make those 2 parts for you. All I have to do now is just wait for them. But yeah, came out really decent, I must say. I didn't think this thing was going to be so big. But and I didn't think it was going to be so heavy, because well, let's just say I did not really pay attention to all the instructions. I just read, yeah, motor parts, the laser parts that are on the end of the wings, and the frame, the frame and the cockpit. Yeah, the best thing is to print them with 100% infill, and the wings too. And I thought, okay, well, that means I must print everything with 100%. So I printed the fuselage also with 100% infill. Well, needless to say that it took me about 3 kilo filament to print this. 3 or 4. And let's just say this X-Wing is really heavy. So, I hope you saw the whole film. Yeah, it is heavy, but whatever. And, well, let's just say I made a mistake in the film, and I said the length of it is 67. No. That's Johnny 5. The X-Wing has a total length of 60, and Johnny is sitting at not 67, he's sitting at 70 centimeters tall. Yeah, 10 centimeters difference. But yeah, well, right now sitting on my coffee table, that's the best place for him right now, until I move into another apartment. When that will be, heaven knows. But I do have to move. So those two guys, well, let's just say they're sitting there good. And there's still enough room just in case somebody comes by to say hello. There's still enough room to sit there, put a cup of coffee on the table, and talk. Yeah, but I got that done. And thanks to a Facebook guy, just to show you how that looks when it's done. I'm still waiting for my 24 volt blowers. This is a 12 volt one, but this comes in right there, be bolted down right here, and this will be mounted on the back. Yeah, this will be mounted on the back of the print head from the 1HOW D9. Why this? Well, let's just say because the fan that is about this size right here, that thing can hardly blow any air into the grooves that are on the alu plate that is holding everything. And this supposedly reduces the temperature on that alu block where the heat break goes through, supposedly from around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, let's just see if that is true. And while I was printing in red, I thought, okay, here's another part that I can print. Got this off of Thingiverse. I can't remember where that was, but this is for part cooling with left and right cooling. That comes down, as you can see right here, and it has a small groove right here so that it can fit right in between the heating element, the nozzle, and where the ABL sits. I hope that works. And there's only the normal 40mm fan that is on top right here. But I got some new fans, so I'm going to be able to change them out. And, well, hope that everything goes good. But right now, well, let's just say I'm not sure what I'm going to start printing next, because well, this coming month I'm going to start building the hypercube, and yes, I have to wait until the end of the month so that I have enough money on my credit card so that I can buy some filament. But thinking and thinking again, instead of getting that purple filament to print all the parts, well, I do have a nice roll here from a blue metallic filament. Let's just say the metallic in it must be really small, because I can hardly see anything sparking when I put this in the light. But who knows? But that is a real nice dark blue. Really lovely color. So I thought, forget it. I'm not going to print the parts in lila, purple like I thought. I'm going to print all of the parts for the hypercube build in this color. And that's going to be, I think, a lot better, especially when I start filming. Yeah, but anyway, as always, I wish to say thank you for the €10 that was sent to me. That would help me out for the parts that are on my Amazon list for the hypercube. The Amazon link is down below. If anybody wants to, hey, I'd be happy. You know, that list all of a sudden disappears because everybody bought everything, and I start getting one package after another. Well, one thing's for sure, then I am going to be able to build that hypercube next month and not have to wait for any parts. But yeah, until then, I do wish to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, down below, hit the button, click the bell so that you will be notified when a new video comes up. And if you want to buy me a coffee, hey, link down below for coffee, that's there too. But anyway, until then, I wish happy printing, and y'all take care. Until the next time, bye.